Alright guys, so we're back. If you can see the mess that we did in a couple of minutes. You're back. This is not done.
We didn't put the glue yet.
We actually did that for her headband. Hold on. You're gonna mess up your headband. You're gonna mess up your headband. You need to be careful.
I want the bunny.
I want to try on your headband. Yeah, it looks really nice. Look, try it on.
We just need to still decorate it, right?
Yeah, so much noise. Sorry,
No way. How annoying. Bunny. That's so much funny.
Can I put this on?
No,
That'll look cute.
I don't like that.
No?
I want the
Look, it'll look cute.
No, I don't like it.
Oh,
No,
good.
I don't like
That
it.
looks cute.
No, I don't like it.
Alright, you want to try it on to see?
No, like
Okay, she doesn't like it. Alright. So, I'm sorry, Chloe, but we can't put any decorations on.
Well, I want to put the butterfly on.
Let me try the butterfly.
Milana wants to make some headbands too.
Alright. Which
Milana.
butterfly do you want?
Milano.
Which butterfly do you want?
I want this one.
That one?
Milano. Yes.
Try it on.
Ooh, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, but I just want it right here.
Yeah. Oh, wait, right there? Alright, guys. Yeah, I'll give it to you now. I don't need it anymore. Alright. You want it right here? Chloe, you want it right here?
Yeah. So,
Alright.
Tita, this is her sister.
This is my brother. Let me show you.
Milano. He took everything.
Alright.
He got all that.
So, try it on. Here.
Wow.
Show your mom.
Stop.
Yeah, I helped her make it. Hold on, this needs more glue.
You like this butterfly? It's gonna look. This is Rosie.
Alright, this needs to dry. We are going to put this away. Yeah, you actually can put it here. This is what this is for. Okay, maybe I can't put it there. Come, I'll put it right here.
Now
Alright.
we're gonna get it.
Put all this back in here.
I know you're making one mess.
And I think we are all done here. It says different headbands that you could put on, but I do not want to do this kind of headband, so I just do whatever headband I want. So comment down below. Yeah, of course. Alright guys, so comment down below if you like this video. Give us a thumbs up or down and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell down there. And tell us which headband you like more. This one. Put it on. Put it on. That one. Whichever one you want.
Or Rosie.
This one.
You can choose whichever one, just like she said.
Bye guys.
Love you. Milano wants a headband.
Bye.
Milano
I have
wants
to
a
deal
headband.
with this.
Hey.
Bye.